Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes. Children, today we are going to start lesson number 26 of grammar, a or an. So, children, in this lesson, we are going to see that where to use a or an. Okay, so let's start. See, children, we use an before words that begin with vowel sounds. We use an before words that begin with vowel sounds. And we use a before words that begin with consonant sound. We use a before words that begin with consonant sound. Okay, children? So, in detail, we are going to see where we use a. Okay? At first, we are going to see that where we use a. A used before word that begins with a consonant sound. So which are the consonants, children? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonants. So before the words, those are going to start with the consonants. We use a. मतलब क्या बेटा? मतलब जो singular word, okay, not plural word. We don't use a before the plural words. We use a before the singular words that should start with the consonants. So consonants कौन से हैं? These are consonants. These all are consonants. So जो वर्ड्स ए कंसोनेंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं, सिंगुलर वर्ड्स, उनके पहले हम ए लगाते हैं. ओके. For example, I have a nose that smells rose. I have a nose that smells a rose. See, children, we used here o before the word nose. This n shows that it is the consonant word. And here also rose means a singular rose is there, single. Okay. And these start with consonant R, and before the words R and N we used A. समझ में आ गया? See, children, now we use A or N before the names of person, place, animals and things. We use A or N before the names of persons, place, animals and things. For example, we will see a hen, a tree, a pen, a boy. See, children, here only singular word are there. So with the singular word we used here A. This is the name of hen. It is tree. This is thing, pen, and this is the name of boy. Means we used here A word before the words starting with consonants. So H is also consonant, T is also consonant, P also and B also. We used here A before the words starting with consonant. Understood, children? Now we'll see next example. This is a flower. F begins with consonant. Means flower word begins with the consonant F. So we used here A. A cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. A cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. These are the examples of A. Now, see, children, we are going to see where do we use an. Okay. So, an used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. So which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. How many are children? Five are there. So which are A, E, I, O and U. मीन्स वॉट बेटा, जो वर्ड्स ओवल से स्टार्ट होते हैं उनके पहले एन लगाना है, बट दोज वर्ड शुड बी सिंगुलर. मतलब जो सिंगुलर वर्ड ओवल से स्टार्ट होते हैं उनके पहले हम एन लगाते हैं. सी वंस अगेन, एन यूज बिफोर अ वर्ड दैट बिगिंस विथ अ वोवेल साउंड. विच आर द वोवेल्स? ए, ई, आई, ओ and U. For example, we will see an egg, an apple, an octopus and an umbrella. See children here, this E, A, O, U. These are vowels. These are vowels. So before the vowels we use an. Next example, see. I see an alligator snapping at an otter. I see an alligator snapping at an otter. Can you see here? We used here an. We used here an before the words started with vowels A and O. This is alligator and this is otter. Understood children? Next example. This is an orange. This is an orange. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter. These are examples of an. We used here an because the words are here given started with the vowel sounds. Okay. So it was our lesson number 24, 26, sorry, A or an. So we are going to stop here children. Thank you. Have a nice day.